Hey everybody, welcome to Mike Gar Outdoors. We've got some dove hunting going on today in South Texas, Willacy County, right outside of Raymondville, Texas. Sorry that the wind is blowing. It's probably going to be real windy, but we'll just have to grin and bear it. Got dogs here that we're hunting with today. Count! He saw that bird. Look at him. He saw that bird. Got Count, got Mikey, and Nikki over there with the pink collar. Got the one and only James St. Pierre with his over and under 12 gauge in full camo attire. Got Captain Mario over there with his new boots, setting up the mojos. There we got our mojos going. Those over there are wind energy turbines, propellers out in the distance. Got sunflowers right about there on the horizon. Big field of sunflowers and Milo. And here we've got open land for the doggies to go get their birds. Those mojos work. Face them towards the wind and those birds should be coming in. Got Captain Sanders, Captain Mario over there in the trucks. Getting ready to go put some people on some birds. They got us set up first. Captain Sanders calling his dogs. So we're set up for a hunt today. As you can see the highway over there in the distance. Raymondville, Texas, that's Highway 77. There goes a bird right there, as you can see. Oh. Go! Come on! Count! Come on! Go! Come on, Count! Staying with us. Grab Nikki. Yeah. Come on, Count. Count. Come on. Come on, Count. Come on. All right, there they go.
Come on, Nikki. Come on, Mike.
All right, so we're getting ready to hunt. Everything should be set up, and we'll log into Mike Gar Outdoors here after a while and see what's going on. Ciao.